Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Beats Fit Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can easily pair your headphones with your Android device. At first we have to go to Play Store. Then we have to go straight into search and search for Beats. Now we have to download this app from Apple and wait a moment. And now we have to open this application. Here we have to tap agree and agree. Now we have to tap next. Go to permissions, location all the time, nearby devices allow. Now we have to go back to our application. Here we have to tap on Get Started, Skip, Don't Send, and Next. Now we have to search for our Beats Fit Pro over here. Now we have to open the case like it's now, hold our button for at least 5 seconds. And now we have to tap to connect. We have to tap this X button, and now we have to do the same. As you can see, our case is now pairing mode, but we have some pairing troubles, so we have to restart our application. Add new Beats, Beats Fit Pro. I think that I have to give it this application, notification, permission. Now we have to go into pairing mode yet again. And as you can see now it works, we have to tap on it. And now allow. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.